Beginning of August was eventful, to say the least. The highlight of knock knock, who's there? Exams. Tell me. It's like, yeah, I'll handle it. I'll pull an all-nighter and all of that. Oh my god. I couldn't pull an all-nighter. Not a single one. I just need to study. Which I'm not being able to. Why am I not being able to study? I was like, I might as well start vlogging embarrassing things I'm doing to myself. That would be questionable, right? I don't know what to do. Except with that. I can't do. This girl is not doing it. Hence, she cannot do it. She's not committing to studying. So, hence, she cannot study. It's slightly better because it was not better because I had to pull all-nighters. I am a toddler who needs supervision in order to study. But I'm scared. So like I've been blind should never end. Am I trying to convince you guys or am I trying to convince myself? And that is the $1,000,000 question. Or maybe I am. Not relate. How can I possibly relate to a thinker? No. Larry and I will not be able to do it. Blah, 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 blah. Of a noise or a distraction. Read the second, but you get the vibe. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Let me talk about what I am feeling right now since I was having an infection for the past 1 week. Today is 7th August, it's a Thursday. So basically I had an infection and the doctor has given like 2 weeks of medicine. So I'm still on the medication. There are certain things that I'm supposed to restrict from my diet. But besides that, I'm pretty chill. Beginning of August was eventful, to say the least. Quite eventful. The only term that I can, probably the highlight of the entire month. That's how someone has termed it. Anyways, I think I met you guys 14th, somewhere in mid-July before my term papers were to be submitted. After that, all of the term papers were submitted. Those few weeks were hectic, very, very hectic because everything had to be submitted after one another. We continuously had tests. Then we also had an internship viva. Everything is basically out of the way now. The next thing that is knocking us on the door, knock knock, who's there? Exams. And your girl has been procrastinating. I don't know why. I honestly have no idea why I've been doing this, why I've been procrastinating so much. Tell me. Basically, I've been slacking off. I've not been able to finish. In total, we have like 4 papers. The earlier 2 papers have gaps significant. Alright, not significant, I would term it as it was like alright gaps between them. The last 2 papers are consecutive. It has like barely a gap in between. The vibes are not good. It's just been a little all over the place, guys. It's just been a little all over the place, and I have nobody to blame but myself because I have been delaying it so much. When I very well know that I can't pull all nighters now. You know what happened last semester? I was like, yeah, I'll handle it. I'll pull an all nighter and all of that. And oh my god, I couldn't pull an all nighter, not a single one. Like the maximum I could keep my eyes up was still 2. Is this because I'm turning? No, let's not go there. Like that was the maximum. And I think last semester we did not have breaks in between and it was continuous. This time we do have little breaks in between. So I'm hoping to count on them. The thing is that my notes are there, my questions are there. I just need to study, which I'm not being able to. Why am I not being able to study? I was like, I might as well start vlogging because if you guys see what embarrassing things I'm doing to myself, maybe the sense of embarrassment will increase. Then I'll be like, Oh my god, I don't want to feel embarrassed in front of you guys. That would be questionable, right? Oh my god, I don't know what to do, honestly, man. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. And exam starts on, there's a paper on 12th, but that's like, doesn't matter. I mean, it matters, but I can do it. The main one starts on 14th, literally a week later. Sit with that. And I have not started. I have not started at all. I don't know what to feel about this. Anyways, gotta have a chocolate to increase my morale. Because I can't. I can't do it. Why am I procrastinating? You know, the basic funda to stop procrastination is to do it. Like, put your thoughts on hold and actually do the work. The amount of time that we spend thinking on doing it rather than more than the amount of time I'm actually doing it. Like, I'm not studying at all, but the amount of time I'm thinking about it, it's probably increasing the pressure. Like, since I'm not physically doing it, my body sending signals to my brain, this girl is not doing it, hence she cannot do it. She's not committing to studying, so hence she cannot study, which is not true. How do you think I ended up in fourth semester, bruh? Like, oh my god, this is so ridiculous. Last semester was, I would say, slightly better because it was not better because I had to pull all nighters, and I was not a fan of all nighters. Not a fan at all. This stuff is good. Top tier. Fan. You got a fan. Besides the point, I've been spending too much time thinking about it rather than actually committing myself to doing the work, which is what is technically preventing me from actually sitting back and putting in effort in there. Hence, what are we gonna do today? We will be studying while you guys will be keeping an eye on me. Because I am a toddler. I cannot do my thing. I am not an adult. I am a toddler who needs supervision in order to study. This is ridiculous. I've just been pushing it back for so long, and I have four papers, four major papers. There is one minor as well, but we'll handle it. But there are four major papers that I have to study for. There's one about the international concepts. I'm scared for that. Literally, I'm stuttering. I'm genuinely concerned about that paper. Out of all of the other three ones, there's one that's very technical, there's one that's related to the history aspect, so I think I'll be able to do that. There's another one that's also theoretical. There's one that's very technical, and that paper I had started learning it. So, like, I'm all right with the international relations paper, the IR paper. Scared for that because this is the first time that is being introduced in the syllabus. But then, is it not a good thing that I'm feeling scared because you're scared of something and you need to overcome that, and when you overcome that, you obviously see growth. So, what is this? Oh my god! Oh my god! I just want to study, bro, but I can't because I'm just procrastinating it so much. This is ridiculous. There's only 1 week left. Oh my god. Anyways, gotta lock in and study. You guys need to see that I stand on business and lock in before this thing has me. Oh my god, I have never given a supply, FYI. I have never done that. I don't want to be the person who does it in fourth semester. Like, these papers are difficult to give a supply on. Yeah. I can't do this, guys, anymore. Anyways, I have to study. I have to study. This is crazy. I have to study. Keep an eye on me, guys. Keep an eye on me. Also, guys, I got my nails done. Like, I've been dying to get a mehendi cone, like the nail one, especially because these ones are on, like with the mehendi, and this one's removed because I need the right hand. Yeah. So I got the cone yesterday from a really nice person. I got two because I don't get these cones easily. I want the dark red, the very dark red, because that looks so good. I've been dying to have that color since ages. Once it's gone, it's just like a completely fresh look. I love the vibe it gives. Like, it's so. Oh my god, my nails are done. It's so pretty. It's so pretty to look at. I just feel that I'm standing on business. I just feel very powerful when I have those nails. Like, looking at plain nails anymore. Anyways, back to studying. Back to the grind should never end. Am I trying to convince you guys or am I trying to convince myself? And that is the $1,000,000 question. I'm motivating myself when I'm talking to you guys. Because this girl has no sense of discipline regarding studies. But ask her about anything else, yeah, she'll be down to do it. Tab and the PDFs are on. The thing with me is that I should have taken out the printouts, but there are too many pages on my tab since like a long time, and I can't proceed without it anymore. Everything is on the tab. The bulk of the like documents and all that are on the tab. I've saved them on the drive because no, that's the case with the phone. The phone is the real distraction. I am not, or maybe I am. Guess we'll never know. Enough yapping. The first paper we have is oh my god, the international relations PDF opened up. I should not have thoughts right now. Yapper world should not have thoughts right now. God, oh my god. To show you guys what the syllabus is, this is the syllabus, and I have not done anything. Oh my god. I just looked over all of the papers, and I think the first one, I would not say relatively easier. I cannot overestimate it, but it is shorter in comparison and more easier to digest. I was paying attention in those classes, so I think I can work that out, especially considering the fact that it has a few gaps in between, like its first one. So I'm not thinking about starting that because it just does not make sense to start that one because I will be preparing for it. I'm thinking about starting the international relations one is also 18th, so there is like 4 days gap in between. So I'm thinking that international relations, maybe I can just look over all that and like I can just look over the material and see if it's digestible or not. Not a good idea. Majorly concerned about last two papers, the technical one, which is the public administration, and the one before, which is Indian political thought. I think that paper will be easier for me to digest because I have greater affinity for like the historical aspect of it. Like I can relate, not relate. How can I possibly relate to a thinker? No. I mean, I'll be able to digest it much more faster and grasp it. And more, I leave it like till the end. I think I'll be able to let it in my brain a lot faster. Scared about the last paper. That is, I'm not scared about it. It's very technical, and that paper is very huge. So yes, wow. I was procrastinating to such an extent that I did not even look over my syllabus before starting this vlog. This is a sign that you should at least go and take a look at it before getting all worked up in your brain, because that is what I was doing. I was like all worked up in my brain. I was like, I'll not be able to do it. Blah 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 blah. Blah. Now it's fine. Now it's chill. It's not all under the control, but I think I have some grasp for the situation. Just worried about the last paper. That's why I want to start working on it. I've not been even able to do journaling for like the this 1 week of August because it's just been so hectic. As an advocate of journaling, this is very disappointing coming from me. I'm calling my behavior out in this because we're not someone who goes without journaling for like so long. So I also need to journal to get that mental clarity. The headspace needs to be empty. It needs to be out on paper. Great time, guys. I have finished. I'm almost nearing the end of one of the topics. Like there are six total topics for this section, and I am nearing like the end of the first one. I know it's not much progress, but it is much better than what I've been doing the past few days. And I would say that it's easier to grasp now that it has like attention full on because I don't have any other option. Yeah, I have to concentrate regardless. And we are like, there's only a little bit of it left, like half a page. And then we'll be moving on to another topic. Yeah, like barely half a page. Right now it's three. And I am hoping to clear like two to three more topics by the end of the day so that I think I am much in a much better situation than I was before I started vlogging this. I'm hopefully aiming for that. And the thing is that I'm being able to grasp it much faster. There's nobody back home. So there's my brother is not back home and he's not creating much of a noise or a distraction. Yeah. So we'll be finishing. I think main goal is to finish three to four topics by today. I'll keep you all posted on how many topics will be finished today. But I do hope on finishing another two topics by 6 p.m. Not two. At least let's see. By 6 p.m. I wish to complete two more topics. Yeah. Because that would increase my game plan significantly. Yeah, because I'm thinking about covering. We have like on 12th we have that exam. Like there's an English MCQ, and then on the 14th we have this paper's exam. So on 13th I can revise the other half of the section. This is one half of the section which has six topics. The other half is can be done on that day. I'm thinking to myself that I have time, but really, it's the struggle is there. You know what? Let's stop rambling. Oh, by the way, I removed my nail. So it's basically like this. It looks like this. It looks so gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm in love with it. I like the dark. I like the dark shade that it has now. So it looks absolutely. I love it. I love it. I love the. Yeah, ASMR. I love the shade and how it's turned out. The one on the right hand it's much lighter. The one on the left is this is the color that I always go for. Always. I love this color. Yeah. So let's finish three to four topics today. And I'll be in a much more better position tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Pray for me guys. Pray for me. This is like I'm done with the first one. I'm done with the first one. So now I'm moving on to the second one. This is the second document, and it spans basically over like 3.5 pages. I've started the first page, and hopefully I'll be done with it within some time by 6. Hopefully, yeah. I need the second one done by 6, or else I'll be done. Oh my god. And guys, we've successfully completed the second topic and it's 6:08. Like, wow. I mean, 8 minutes behind, but you get the vibe. I have completed the second part as well. Hopefully, I'll complete the third topic by tonight. So, we are on top of a game today, and I'm glad. Anyways, guys, that's it for the vlog today. I'll keep you guys posted on how it goes. Like, my exams are just around the corner, and just hoping that it goes well. I just want to spend the time that I have before it studying it properly so that I don't regret it, Loki. So just pray for me. That's it for today's vlog. I think I'll keep you guys posted and updated on how the other exams go. I think I'll be vlogging that. Let's see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.